I have to say, I am very excited. Not sure about this bit. That looks like it needs to have an extra probably 12 inches on it because I've got such a massive chest. Warm and cheeky, River on Bondsview Mob Legends, Uncle Joejo, great to see ya. Today we're going to have a look at a new nail bag setup. This is my old setup. There's my nail bag there. She's a ripper, had her for a long time. Actually made by a purse maker. Then I've got my hammer pouch, little just makeshift one, my side rule, and my good chisel pouch at the back there. So I've had just the belt and these pouches for a very long time. So probably this pouch and everything, about 20 years. And then these braces I got in about 2016, they've changed my life. We're going to change from that to the new Buckaroo setup. So, voila, new Buckaroo setup. Haven't got everything set out on it yet. I'm going to take all the stuff off my old system and bring it over here and let's see how we rock and roll with it. So the Buckaroo system is an old school weightlifter's belt. It's meant to give you a bit of back support and stuff, but you're meant to lift it up onto your hips. I don't want it above my hips, I want it below my hips. This is where I want all of my weight is distributed underneath. And then I got my hammer and everything at easy grabbing height. Plus, on top of that, I can also make sure that when I'm climbing and things, it's not getting in my way. And if I sit it up here on my waist, up here, then all my tools are up here. It's just too hard to get to everything, especially with my massive arms. So what I'm better off is having it just down here a bit. We'll put all of the bits on the pouches and let's have a look and see how she rocks. And there we go, team. What do you reckon? It's nice and snug. Got little dangly things so I can put my bits and pieces on them. Got my pouches back on. These D-shackle things are in the way, which is a bit annoying, but I also understand that it holds the belt up, so it's a bit of forgiveness on both sides, don't you reckon? It's going to take a little bit of getting used to, so we'll see how we go. The good difference is that the flexible braces have good movement, so you're not stuck in this position. That can move to there for sure. That's got to move over to there. Those ones can be wherever. All right, let's reset that up. But what do you reckon? Tell me what you reckon, folks. The old Buckaroo or the old school system that I've had for about 3 million years and a day. Any questions and queries about the Buckaroo, flick it over. I answer it for you best I can, whenever I can. Like always, stay unreal, banana Beowulf. See you in the suit.